Hello everyone, welcome to this Jevero tutorial in which we are going to cover the layering and custom features that Jevero provides. Layering is very important when it comes to measuring and calculating the areas and the percentages of the materials inside our shoe model. This is important especially when talking about the exportation of the shoes and calculating the costs, etc., etc. So before we get into this, we need to check, of course, if we have our model, our parts, and a grading table. Here I have created a really quick one. So if we go over from J pattern parts, we can click on this yellow, blue, and red icon, and we'll see this layering prompt here. So you see different parts, different boxes here, and the first thing we want to do is create a material map. So you see that I have different default values here, and I want to create a new material. So I can go over here, click on the plus button, and by double clicking I can rename this material 4 to leather and press enter, and by clicking on the rectangle I can change the color. So I will pick green, just a random color, and I want to create a couple of more materials, just not rename them, and create a material map that I will need to apply to my model. In this preview here, I will see what I can do with these materials. So of course, I can save a material map by naming it material map shoe number 1. Okay, so I can save it, always be able to delete it, and what I can do here is apply the materials to all my different parts. So in the next video we'll see how to do that.